Hey there, it's Bob from Sunshine Vagabonds. Just checked out a sea turtle nest here on the beach in New Smyrna, and it looks like this nest is going to hatch really soon. The whole thing when the sea turtles hatch here is just amazing to watch. All these tiny little creatures that are basically minutes or hours old, all wait for each other, all wait at the top of the surface, and then make a mad rush out there in the ocean to a place where they'll spend the next few years of their lives, which is dozens of miles out to sea. All right, just back from the nest and saw two little heads poking up out of the sand, which is awesome. And like I said, the amazing thing is those two turtles will wait till all the rest of the turtles are ready, and then all en masse they'll come rushing towards the ocean. Don't. Well, as you can see, it is dark now, but that's cool because the turtles did hatch, right? We got to see them.
75.
75, and it's just awesome watching them all race their way to the ocean, and they're all out there now. Hopefully they'll make it out to the Sargasso Sea, and we'll see them laying their eggs up on this beach a couple decades away. Well.
Thanks for stopping by. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up, and we'd love it if you subscribe to the Sunshine Vagabonds channel below. Thanks.